It looks like we have another situation here at Mr. Dog Poop Studios. This appears to be a cat condo. Now, Mr. Dog Poop didn't order it. I didn't order it. That only leaves one person, or animal, should I say, that could have ordered it. They always say, if life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Well, we're gonna take a bad situation that Kitten ordered this cat condo with Mr. Dog Poop's credit card, and I'm gonna make a video of how to put it together. So I did check the stock number, and Kitten did not order the most expensive cat condo. So that way, so we're safe there. Let's take this apart. I hope I can figure out how to put it together because I am not going to read the instructions. So it looks like this is the base, and we're starting with, what the hell? That's a different size. Everything's a different size. What the fuck? Kitten! You couldn't get an easier one to put together? Okay, I see. Has a screw that goes through, and then this just threads onto it. So these are little things with bolts in the middle. First floor completed. Whew! All right, so we have that together, then there's a hut. B. Is this B? B! And then I need 4 posts inside this. Goes together with one tool, so that's good. And I'm gonna go ahead and put 4 more in the top. But these go together pretty easy, and they're pretty standard. All right, so that's a little cat hideout. It has opening there, opening here, and my next step, it says, is, I don't know. And then the mouse ears here, I think, go there. But if somebody's laying in there, how are they going to be on that? I'm on the wrong one. I'm looking at the wrong thing. All right. I mean, it's not complicated, but you have to know where each piece goes, or you're going to get to the end and you're going to be like, oh, I don't have the right pieces, or it doesn't match up. That's why there's letters on them. So we got an N and an N. We're going to do that. Okay, those. Then it's saying to put this, and that makes more sense because who would be under that? It may not actually be like the picture when we get it done, but it will be together. Well, we thought Kitten was going to help us put this together, but he appears to be hiding. He does not like to be on camera. We are training him, and he has been getting worse and worse. I don't think I'm going to be able to make the kind of money on him that I thought I could, renting him out as a stunt cat. It gets a little easier at the end because you don't have that many parts left. The one thing you don't want to do is leave screws out and have it fall apart and your cat crashes, because once they get traumatized by it, they'll never go back to it. I guess that's so they don't fall out. So that's what you get for 50 bucks. All we have to do now is find Kitten. After we get done yelling at him for ordering it, I'll see if he likes it. Let's see, let's go in here. Let's see if you like it. This is your new, this is for you. Yeah, it's for you. He doesn't like the studio.